opens toys. Thanks for being wonderful subscribers. Today we're going to be making Nickelodeon slime. We're going to be using clear glue, and this is the activator that we're going to be using.
And what color are you going to do?
I'm going to be using the
What
color.
is this?
That? Oh, this is like a little bowl that I'm going to be using to put my slime in.
Okay.
And the color that I'm going to be using is
Show them right
purple.
here. Show them right here. What color are you going to be using?
Purple.
So show them the color up close.
Okay.
Remember, it goes right there. Can you find the purple?
And
Okay.
I'm also going to be using some glitter.
Yes. A glitter always makes it happen. First, show them.
Here is the color purple that we're going to be using. And I think the glitter that I'm going to be using is either, like, these are my options. Do you like glitter too? If you do, type it down in the comments down below. It just depends on how dark or light the slime is, because this purplish pinkish color is really dark. So if the slime is already dark, then I'll probably use gold. If it's light, then I'll use the dark glitter.
Yeah.
Okay, time to start making our slime. First, I'm going to open up this bottle of clear glue.
Don't pour all of it. And you will want a little bowl with this wooden spoon. So like this. Okay, pour some in, not all of it.
I get another 1,000. No, it matters how much money you have and how many buildings you own, right?
Okay, that's enough. Say how much that was.
Just not bought any buildings this whole time.
That was like about
I didn't buy any buildings the whole time.
like maybe a medium size, more than half. This is how much glue we put in the bowl.
Okay, then after you want to mix it so it can have like that clear texture, you want to mix it and count to 10. Athena, can you count to 10 out loud?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, after that, you will want to put the stick up on this. If you have any color, we are actually going to be using purple. You will want to be, hold on. You will want to be using, yeah, we're not going to use this one. You will want to be using a color, like we're going to do pink, right, Athena?
Yeah, we were going to do purple, but we can't get the lid off.
I don't think we can either. Okay, so then this is open. You want to take your stick,
and you're gonna want
dip a little.
You're gonna want to dab the stick in a little bit of color at first, because you don't know how dark or light you want.
And then show them. Hold it up and show them.
And here is how much I put on the stick.
Okay, mix it.
And I'm gonna put it in and mix it up. We can add
Count to
more
10
if we want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Then, if you want to add some glitter or gems, go ahead. Or fish bowls. So Athena, what are you gonna add? Tell them what you're gonna add.
What I'm gonna add is I'm gonna add gold glitter. Cause I have a feeling that gold glitter goes good with like any color. Cause if you were doing a challenge, it could go with anything.
Okay,
That's what it looks like.
so we are gonna open it. Do you want to pour all of it?
Let's pour like only a little.
Time to stop.
Stop.
Okay, show them how much glitter you poured.
This is how much glitter I put in.
Now count to 10 and mix it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You can either use both of these slime, but Athena, which one do you want to use?
I'm going to use this one today for activator.
And you will want to put 3 drops of activator. Show them how to open it.
Okay.
We're going to open this part because it's the smaller bit.
How many is in a set, please?
How much drops do you put in?
We are going to put in 3 drops today.
There's all the same color.
Count to 3.
That's not 4.
Oh, there would be 3.
Did you open it?
So 3 is the orange, right?
No. It has to be a complete set. Like all orange.
I have my nice assistant here that helps
Over
me.
there, yeah, I have 3 oranges.
Her name's Raya, and she's my best friend.
No, but it says at the end of the game, if you have a complete orange property set.
Yeah, you
So,
don't have mine. You don't have
this one is actually not working. See this camera? Look at that one.
Because I don't have 3 now.
Okay, the activator that we were going to use actually wasn't working, so we're going to actually use this one because it will work.
We can trade properties.
Okay, show them what brand it is.
Okay, so I get it. I'm
Put it right here.
buying the properties
More
in
down.
color coordination.
Yeah.
And who is that by?
I was just looking at the
Who's that by?
which ones looked cool. At the end of the game, if you have a reset red property set.
It's by Nickelodeon, and so at the top it says Nickelodeon slime.
Okay, so you will want to pour 3 drops in, right, Athena?
Yeah, I'm going to pour in 3 drops, and it says also slime activator.
Count 3 times.
Do you have a question?
1, 2, 3.
If that doesn't work, you might want to add more, but let's mix it.
Ready to use it. Take any
1, 2, 3, 4,
Keep the card
5,
ready to use it. Swap
6,
any of your properties with another
7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, now let me see it. Athena, go film.
You're still here.
If it's like clumpy, that means you're getting somewhere. Can you go tell me if this is on camera? So you can actually see that if it's getting gloopy, like that means it's kind of activating, but you need more. Okay, Athena, come over here. Athena's actually gonna pour some activator in.
But not too much because we already added some.
So count to 3. No, actually you want to do 5 drops.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, then you want to mix it.
I'll mix it more. And see this here? There's a big clump of pink. There's a big clump of pink in there. So if you ever see like a big clump of something in your slime, try to break it or just keep on mixing. Activator sometimes takes a while to work, so try to be patient.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Then I'll try doing it. Can you see the camera? So see this big clump? So actually what you want to do, I'm going to pour it. You just want to do that. And you want to do this. And it kind of, but you know why it might not be working. It's because we added too much glitter. So that's why probably it's not really activating, but still we probably added too much glitter. But look at, if you see, this is actually slime.
Yeah, that part is actually slime. Sorry that the slime I made didn't work out. I just really like glitter.
Glitter, she might have put too much glitter, but look, at this is slime. Athena, do you want to come stretch it for them?
Sure.
Stretch it.
So I'm going to use
Does
this
it show?
I'm back up a little.
Take one of your properties and
I'm
put
more
it
down.
on the board.
It's pink, golden, glitter slime.
Yeah, right there.
It's pink, golden, glitter slime. How pretty is this?
Let's talk about the slime.
The slime is kind of crunchy.
This is really not a chance.
It's really glittery. It's only a little bit stretchy because there's barely any slime. And it breaks if you try to stretch it.
Okay, put the slime back.
You used the whole deck.
Thank you for watching my slime video. And if you like glitter, foam,
Plus whatever
and
you use, you have to put that away.
shaving cream that you put in your slime. Type it down in the comments below. I'll see you next time. Bye, fans!